Hey guys, I have a short video for you today that will show you how I clean my macrame pieces. Any pieces that need to be brushed out, I'll go ahead and do that first. I use a lint roller to clean my piece, which gets rid of any unwanted hair, cotton fluff, etc. For feathers, I also use an adhesive spray so that the feathers keep their shape. The type that I use is called Krylon Spray Adhesive, which can be purchased at Michael's. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, leave a comment, and/or share it. Tutorial requests are always welcome, so drop a comment below if you're interested in a specific knot or pattern tutorial. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook.